Okay, hey, it's Greg James here with Greg James Designs and my trusty sidekick, Lance Hindman. Say hello, Lance.
Hey, guys.
So anyway, we took a little drive today. We've been showing you this project here in Oklahoma, and we're really excited. The building's finally starting to go up behind us. This particular client has two structures. They got their main house that we're standing on here, and this is their RV barn. So this monitor style building that you see behind us is really perfect for parking a large, tall RV right down the middle, and that's their intention. So right now we finally got our slab poured. Thank the Lord. It's been a long journey. Fortunately, we have not had a lot of rain to hold us up. It's just getting permit inspections and that sort of thing. And so this client is building this himself, and we're just privileged to come out here. We did the design. Lance heads up our design team, and so this is we're excited to get this done. So let me kind of show you a walk around here of the actual building. You know, I've been doing this about 30 years. Sometimes the plumbers will use insulation and they'll wrap, because what you want is you don't want the concrete right around the pipe poured tight. So there's got to be some kind of space. Here in this situation, they use like a bubble wrap, so it works perfect. This is the toilet here. So they have to be able to get their toilet flange down into the floor. So that's why, another reason why they have to have a bit of space here. You got a drain. That's probably a vent over there that Lance was pointing out that's going to come up in the wall there. And I believe the mechanical room for this home will be here, and they'll probably have their well. This is a well and septic here, so they'll have their well tank in here and everything. And right here, guys, they have I believe this is the sewer outlets marked. You can't see it because it's buried, but you have to sleeve your or put a large diameter pipe in your footing, okay? And so it's stubbed out right here somewhere, so which means the septic tank is going to probably sit about 10 to 20 feet off the building right here. So, and there's a lot of different types of septic systems. You got aerobic systems, you got lateral field systems, and so it just depends on your soil. If your soil perks well, which means it's real loose, a lot of sand, we always recommend a passive system, because you don't ever have to maintenance it, you know. Just pump your tank out every few years and you're good. Aerobic systems are great if you got a lot of sandstone or you got a lot of clay, and they're good for that. The only problem with aerobic systems is they're a maintenance item, so you got to put chlorine pellets in them or treat them. The pumps, you have to be sure that the air pump is always working on it, and so it's a bit of an issue sometimes. But Lance, let's go over here and look at the building. Let's look at the building. That's what we came here for. All right, so I want to kind of take you up close here a little bit. This is our standard truss leg building, okay? So when we're talking about a truss leg, see, it looks like a truss. So it's got this bracing welded between your angle iron here, and that's how the column is made. And this particular situation is called a half truss, which is in the metal building universe, you're dealing with boxes, okay, guys? So your center building here is your first box, okay? So this is the main part of this building. Once again, this is what we call a monitor or equestrian style building, and they're actually really attractive. And so the steel members on each side are called a half truss, okay? And so that is basically half the distance of a full building. As you can see, like if you just mirrored that around, you'd have a full building. In this situation here, this is an all steel structure. We do have a hybrid wood structure, and let me show you what the difference is. The only difference between the wood steel hybrid building is this right here, okay? This is a steel member. If this were a hybrid building, this would be wood. So you could do a 2x6 or 2x8 here, bolted onto this flange. These are every 24 inches going up the wall. Your purlins up top can be wood, okay, but it has to be engineered that way, all right? And so you got your basic structure. So hey, we're making good progress here. We're going to keep this. We'll post some photos and stuff, and And then when we get started on the main house, it's going to be really pretty. So we'll post some video of that. So thank you for tuning in with us, Lance.
Thanks, guys. We appreciate you all.
And don't forget, we're a worldwide building sales rep. We're actually part of the company. We're not a third-party dealer. Okay. So, and then Lance heads up our design team. We can do the total package for you. We can do the design, the plans, architectural plans, and then worldwide building. We can provide the building, all the engineering for the building, which if you got to pull a permit, you have to have. We can do the engineered foundation plan for you. So that's, for most people, that's all they'll need. In rare situations, you may need civil drawings, but that's more for commercial projects. But anyway, thanks, guys.